Today's topic is puberty. All about puberty, an overview. Learning points. State what puberty is. Describe the key hormones linked to puberty. Compare the changes in boys and girls during puberty. What is puberty? Puberty describes the changes in boys and girls as they mature into adults and how their reproductive system alter during this time. Definition of puberty. Changes in boys and girls. Growth rate increases. Underarm hair grows. Pubic hair grows. Body smell gets stronger. Emotional changes. These changes are observed in boys and girls. Start. Hips start to widen. Breasts start to develop. These changes are observed in girls. Changes in boys. Voice breaks, gets deeper. Testes and penis enlarge. Testes begin to reproduce sperm cells. Shoulders become wider. Hair grows on the face and the chest. These changes are observed in boys. Testosterone. Testosterone is a hormone produced by the testes. Testosterone controls the development of sexual characteristics in males. Estrogen. Estrogen is produced by the ovaries. It controls the development of sexual characteristics in females. Estrogen is the female hormone. Hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers which are produced in glands and carried around the body by the blood to specific organs in the body. Hormones bring about puberty and regulate the reproductive system. When does it happen? In general, girls begin puberty between 8 and 14 years old. With an average of 11 years old, girls develop more quickly than boys and usually finish puberty in around 4 years. In general, boys begin puberty between 9 and 14 years old with an average of 12 years old. Most boys finish puberty after around 6 years. Thanks for watching.